Hey guys, Anthony with Airstream at DFW. Today I'm here to present to you the 2020 Flying Cloud 25 RV. This unit is 25 foot 11 inches from the front to the back. It is 9 foot 9 from the ground to the top of the air conditioners. It is one of our wide body models, so any of the Airstreams that are 25 foot and larger go to 101 inches wide, so it gives you a little bit more room on the inside. It's only 5,800 pounds dry, so a lot of your half-ton vehicles can tow that pretty easily. It's 7,300 pounds gross, so you do have enough space in there to take anything with you as far as camping gear, food, and that sort of thing. We do order all of these units here at Airstream at DFW with 2 air conditioners. So especially down here in Texas, you can really use that second air conditioner to keep you cool during those really hot months. It is a dual axle model, 2 15-inch tires on it. Really going to tow very nice going down the road. Awnings are always standard on the Airstreams, as you can see here. LED lights up inside that awning as well. So a lot of space outside for entertaining when you're camping on those nice nights. As we step in, you're going to notice there's lots of space here on the inside for everybody. You've got a big, large, spacious dinette up here in the front that converts to a bed. You also have a lounge sofa area that converts to a bed. So you could easily sleep 2, 3 extra people in this trailer if you wanted to, as long as everyone likes each other and they get along. You also have the beautiful panoramic windows up in the front. So something Airstreams are really known for is their windows. It's a really great way to bring the outside inside when you're out on those beautiful camping trips. So let's step back and look at the kitchen now. Here in your Airstream, you're really not short on space when it comes to the kitchen, even though we're not in a really big trailer. You've got lots of nice storage overhead with these overhead lockers. Airstream does a beautiful job of building these lockers in-house. A lot of strength and integrity in these cabinets, something you don't see in a lot of other brands out there. You have lots of countertop space. Again, nice deep sink, residential style faucet as well, so no plastic fixtures here in your Airstream. And your cover does second as a cutting board if you need it to be. Something new for 2020 is Airstream has gone to a whole new stove and oven setup. So in years past, there was a raised cover on here that really wasn't very efficient on space. Now for 2020, you get this folding glass cover. So for one, it's really easy, nice to open. It's a lot easier than the previous models were. 2, it gives you a lot of extra space here when you're prepping a meal to work with. It also gives you a new oven option as well. And one of the unique things about this particular floor plan is that if you want a gas oven and a convection microwave both, you can get both of those in this floor plan. A lot of your floor plans don't offer that. A lot of them, it's one or the other. We do tend to, here at Airstream at DFW, order all of these with the convection microwave combo. So something that's upgraded from the standard microwave. One of the nice things about going to the 25 foot and larger trailers is you do get a double door fridge. So if you are going to go on a longer trip, you are concerned about space for all those items you're going to take with you as far as food goes. You have a really large fridge, but you also have a really large separate freezer. So when you want to take the ice cream, you've got room for the ice cream. Again, talking about storage here in the kitchen, you've also got a really large slide out pantry for canned goods and all those dry goods you're going to take with you. So don't be afraid in this model to go on a long-term trip if you want to. All right guys, now we're in the bathroom of your Airstream. The thing about the 25 RV is it does have a very large bathroom in comparison to some of the other floor plans, even some of the other larger floor plans. And the 25 RV, they widen as well as lengthen the bathroom, and they also put a window in the bathroom. So if you have any problems with claustrophobia, if you feel closed in inside the bathroom, that window is going to help. You do get a porcelain toilet in the trailer as well. A lot of times if you've had RVs in the past, you know those plastic toilets aren't always the nicest thing to have, so Airstream puts a porcelain toilet in most of the models they build. You do have some nice storage in here, as well as a mirror, a towel rod, and lots of light. Now right across from the bathroom is where your shower is going to be. So the shower is rather large. It's big enough for a guy even of my size to get in there and take a nice shower. It's well lit, it is ventilated, and your Airstream showers are all one piece, so it's really nice not having to worry about water intrusions. You also have your wardrobe here in the bathroom area, so as you step out and want to dress, you can do that. And Airstream provides you with 2 privacy accordion doors on either side of the bathroom, so either privacy from the bedroom or privacy from the living room. Either way, you can enclose this whole area and make it one large bathroom if you want to. All right guys, We're back here in the bedroom of your trailer. This is a 25 RB, so the bedroom is in the rear. Side note, it is available with the twin bed option if you'd like that, but we are in a queen bed option right now. Lots of storage overhead with the 2 lockers. And you also have significant storage under the bed as well. So we can lift up the bed, and you've got tubs for extra clothing if you want to bring that with you. Again, if you're going a long trip, you're going to need extra clothes. You've got that space for those extra clothes. And you can access all these tubs with the bed down, so you don't necessarily have to lift the bed up. Panoramic windows. We've talked about that before, but let's talk about it again. The 25-foot models get the panoramic windows on both sides. Lots of nice space in the bedroom. When you go to bed at night, you can really enjoy the outdoors as you fall asleep. And I want to mention it again too, we do order these units with 2 air conditioners. So if you're concerned about camping in the hot temperatures, especially down here in Texas, you really don't have to worry about it, because 2 air conditioners on a 25-foot trailer is going to keep your unit nice and cool. All right, guys, that's the 2020 Flying Cloud 25 RB. We appreciate you watching our video today. We'd like to invite you out to our 45,000 square foot indoor showroom. We're just a few miles east of downtown Fort Worth. If the 25-foot floor plan is not right for you, don't let that stop you. We've got over 40 floor plans in stock, so come out and see us.